welcome to another video. Miss Terry's here, and today we're going to be writing an equation of a line in slope-intercept form by looking at the line on that graph. We want to write it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus or minus b. Remember, our b is our y-intercept, and our slope is our m. A couple things about the slope is if the numerator is positive, we are going up. If the numerator is negative, we are going down. And the denominator always tells us to run to the right. So let's look at number 1. The best way to do this is to find a place where the line is crossing an intersection. If you're looking at this from up, think of it as red lights. So you look on here and come down until you can find a place where you can see where it crosses a red light. I have put here 2 locations, and from this it makes it a whole lot easier to find your slope. I'm going to start this equation, y equals x. I like to do my b first. This one crosses the y-intercept at positive 4. And then I will go find my slope. Come in from the left and hit the first point that you see. And then from there, we are going to determine if we are going to go up or down to get to the other point. If I am at the 4, I will be going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will be going down 8, so that becomes a negative 8. I take me a right-hand turn, and then I go over 1, 2, 3 blocks. So we now have our equation of y equals negative 8 over 3x plus 4. In number 2, we have y is equal to, I'm going to leave my slope empty right now, put my x, go back and see where this line is going to cross the y-axis, and it crosses at positive 3. Go and look for another intersection. I see one here. So if my starting point is on the y-axis at negative 3, I will go down 1 and right 1. So down 1 is negative 1, over right 1 is negative 1. You do put your slopes in lowest terms, so I will reduce negative 1 over 1 to negative 1, x plus 3, and we do not write a 1 in front of the x if it is the coefficient, but we do have the negative here, so this equation ends up being y equals negative x plus 3. On number 3, we will start our equation. Y is equal to our slope, then our x. We will go now and find our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is at negative 2. So we will write minus 2. We will go back on our line and find us a place where it crosses at an intersection. I found a couple here. There are several on this one. My starting point is at negative 2. I will be going up 2, which is a positive 2 in my numerator. Take me a right-hand turn and go over 1. I put my slope in lowest terms, and I am left with y equals 2x minus 2. Number 4, y is equal to my slope, x. I go and see where this one crosses the y-axis. It crosses at negative 4, so therefore my b is minus 4. I need to go find an intersection place. I have found one right here. So I go back to my beginning place. I see that to get over there, I have to go up 1. Numerator is 1. take me a right-hand turn, and then I go over 1, 2, 3. My equation is y equals 1/3 x minus 4. Number 5, y is equal to my slope times x. Go and find my y-intercept. This one crosses the y-axis at positive 2, so my b is plus 2. Go find my intersection points, which I have found them. There is one right there. So I go to my positive 2. I will be going down 1, take a right-hand turn, and go over 1. We had this one before with the negative 1 slope. So this is y is equal to negative x plus 2. This is writing an equation of a line in slope-intercept form by looking at that line on the coordinate plane.